Dear shareholders, respected panelists, and board of directors, a very good afternoon to all of you. On behalf of Alpha Logic Texas Limited, I, Prashal Pandey, Company Secretary and Compliance Officer of the company, extends a warm welcome to all of you on our first AGM via video conferencing and our second annual general meeting of our company. We take on record the presence of respective directors and KMP. Mr. Anshu Goyal, Chairman and Managing Director of the company, Mr. Dhananjay Goyal, Whole-time Director of the company, Ms. Neha Anshu Goyal, Non-Executive Director of the company, Mr. Vedant Goyal, Whole-time Director of the company, Mr. Pawan Bansal, Non-Executive Independent Director, Chairman of Audit Committee, NRC and SRC Committee of the company, Mr. Rohan Kishore Vekhande, Non-Executive Independent Director of the company. We also take on record the presence of Mr. Rahul Depe, Partner, Patki and Soman Chartered Accountants, Statutory Auditors of the company, Mr. Sanjay Mohta, Practicing Company Secretary and Secretarial Auditor of the company, and Mr. Anuj Surana, Practicing Company Secretary, who has been appointed as scrutinizer for the independently scrutinizing the e-voting process. Dear members, as you know, in view of the COVID-19 pandemic and to maintain social distancing and in compliance with the provisions of circulars issued by MCA and SEBI, this AGM is convened and held through video conferencing and other audiovisual means. For convenience of members, I would like to read out on certain guidelines regarding participation by members and speakers at this meeting. Facility of participation by members in this AGM through NSDL e-voting platform is provided on first come and first serve basis. All members attending this AGM by default put on mute to avoid any disturbance coming out of background noise and for smooth and seamless conduct of annual general meeting. Just a second, I'd like to admit Mr. Sanjay and other who are waiting room. Yeah. As per Companies Act 2013 and SEBI listing regulations, the company had provided remote e-voting facility to the members whose name were recorded in the register of members as on record date, that is 21st September 2020, to include them to cast their vote electronically on all the agenda items of the notice between 23rd September 2020 from 9 a.m. till 27th September 2020, 5 p.m. Facility of e-voting is also provided to members present in the meeting and who were unable to vote earlier. Such members are requested to log into e-voting portal of NSDL to cast their votes while they watch the proceedings of the AGM. The scrutinizer will submit their consolidated results on e-voting process within 48 hours of conclusion of this annual general meeting, and the result would be intimated to stock exchange and will also be available on the company's website as well as on the website of NSDL for all shareholders' reference. Now, I would like to request our chairman, Mr. Anshu Goyal, to commence the proceedings of the meeting. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Prashal. Yeah. Dear shareholders, good afternoon. On behalf of the Board of Directors of Alpha Logic, I extend a warm welcome to all of you to the second annual general meeting of your company. Since the quorum is present, I call the meeting in order. I trust you and your family are well and keeping safe during the unprecedented times of the COVID-19 pandemic. This pandemic has shaken up the status quo in many ways. This pandemic has challenged the very existence of our civilization and the way in which our world functions. Over the next many months, economies around the world will have to, alongside this COVID-19, and businesses will have to build capabilities to manage in an uncertain ecosystem. In the last few months, there has been a paradigm shift in the way we do our day-to-day things. Whether it is working from home or entertaining ourselves or shopping for daily needs or making payments, information technology has been a backbone for everything that we have been doing. This time of pandemic brings various challenges in our lives, but it also opens a new window of opportunity for technology businesses. The adoption of technology has grown at a rapid rate and is expected to grow over the next few years worldwide. This represents a good opportunity for a company like ours in the near future. So let's talk about business and financial performance of our company. Dear shareholders, in the financial year 2019-20, your company has been able to grow its profits compared to the last financial year. Total income of the company in FY 2019-2020 stood at 547 lakhs, showing an increasing trend over the previous year, and the profit before tax increased by 53.47 lakhs to rupees 264.84 lakhs. In financial year 2019-20, your company has recorded the net profit of 201 lakhs, a growth of 48.7 lakhs from the previous year. Dividend. Due to availability of investment opportunities within the company itself, your company has decided not to recommend any dividend to shareholders for the financial year 2019-20. Since the AGM is being held pursuant to the MCA circulars through VC, without physical attendance of the members, the requirement for appointing proxy by members is not applicable. Now, I move on to the auditor's report. Auditor's report for the financial year ended 31st March 2020 does not have any qualifications or observations or comments on financial statements which may have any adverse effect on the functioning of your company. Accordingly, read with Section 145 of the Companies Act, with concurrence of the members, the auditor's report is taken as read. Since the notice convening second AGM was already circulated, I request the members present to take the notice together with the financial statements and the board's report as read. The company has taken requisite steps and provided facility to enable members to participate and vote electronically on all 2 agenda items mentioned in the notice of the AGM. The members who have not voted earlier through remote e-voting facility, which was provided to them, can cast their vote during the course of the meeting through NSDL e-voting facility. We now take up the agenda items as set forth in the notice. Item number 1. To receive, consider, and adopt the audited financial statements of the company for the financial year ended 31st March 2020, together with the report of directors and auditors thereon. Item number 2. Reappointment of Ms. Neha Anshu Goyal, Director Identification Number 08290823, as a director liable to retire by rotation. So, moving on to the way forward for your company, the market opportunity it represents. Your company is engaged in IT consulting and software development businesses for its clients worldwide. We provide our services in 3 major verticals: fintech, healthcare, and software as a service SaaS. We provide services like mobile application development, web application development, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, DevOps services, and other IT-based services. Productivity and capital efficiency improvement are likely to drive near-term growth. Your company is working for strong exposure in the global market. The thrust on the competitive strength, newer product development, and consolidation of customer relationship has resulted into a bright future for your company. The company expects to retain the performance in the current year. The profit margins in the industry are under pressure, and your company is not agnostic to this. However, your company is taking all the measures to continue its growth trajectory along with better than industry margins. The company is confident that, to meet the challenges with its strength in its marketing network, strategic planning, research and development, productivity improvement, and cost reduction exercise. It is my pleasure to announce that your company has received approval for its trademark for the word mark AlphaLogic and the registration certificates in Class 9 and Class 42 under the Trademark Act. So here is another big announcement that I wish to make. To drive growth and create value for our shareholders, your company plans to diversify its business into the sector of marketing and distribution of goods and services. To this effect, a proposal to incorporate a wholly owned subsidiary was placed before the board. It gives me immense pleasure to announce before you all that your company has received the approval and registration for incorporation of a wholly owned subsidiary company in the name of AlphaLogic Trademark Limited from the Registrar of Companies. This new company will work in the areas of marketing of goods and services, both offline and online, and would help leverage growth opportunities in the marketing and distribution of goods sector. With support of all our stakeholders, I am confident that the board will efficiently manage the company's affairs. On behalf of the board of directors, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our customers and deepest appreciation for our employees for their role in our company. I am particularly thankful to our distinguished non-executive and independent directors for their active participation, critical analysis, guidance, and encouragement. Their diverse experience and exposure and focus on people, operations, and growth is a learning experience for me and my colleagues. On behalf of the board of directors of AlphaLogic, I would like to thank our investors for their confidence in our company. I would like to thank our statutory auditors and secretarial auditors for their support. We are committed to continue our exciting journey of growth with the support and guidance of our customers, employees, shareholders, bankers, governments, and the board. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all those who have supported and guided us during the year. I thank all my colleagues on the board for their unanimous support and immense encouragement. Thank you again. Thank you very much. Prashal, over to you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable insights. Since the AGM is convened through VC, all resolutions contained in the notice have already been put to vote through remote voting, which was also being announced by the chairman. So there will be no voting by show of hands or proposing or seconding of resolutions. Further, I would like to draw your kind attention that the members who had not cast their vote electronically are given an opportunity to vote in through remote voting for 15 minutes after the conclusion of this AGM. Without any further ado, I'm now going to unmute all the members so that they can ask questions or queries in relation to affairs of the company. Members, the floor for Q&A is open. If you have any query, you can unmute yourself from your end and ask any questions which you have. I guess since there are no questions or queries, I now conclude the meeting with the order of the chair and board of directors. It's our pleasure to have you at the second annual general meeting, and we express our gratitude to all the members present here for their cooperation. We believe your valuable support and faith in AlphaLogic will remain as always. Thank you everyone for joining the meeting. Have a great evening ahead. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Prashal, for your wonderful cooperation. And I would like to once again thank all of you for attending this meeting during this time of difficult time of pandemic. And I wish everyone in your family is safe. And namaste.